Hey guys, and welcome back to the Pipework Orange YouTube channel. I'm going to do a quick video here just showing you a helpful little tool in your Designline tool palette here, and that's the Fix-By button. And what this does is it controls the positioning of your 3D content in relation to the design line itself. Defaultly, it's set to the center. And I'll show you what that does. You've probably seen it. Your design line falls directly in the center of your 3D piping. So normally that's fine. You'll use that more often than not, but there are occasions, say where you have 4, 5, 6 pipes on a trapeze hanger. You want the design line to be set at the elevation of the top of that unistrut or angle iron, whatever the trapeze hanger is made out of. And you don't want to have to keep adjusting the height of the design line based on the size of the pipe. Say you had a 1/2 inch pipe, a 1 inch pipe, a 2 inch pipe. Those, if you keep that on the center, they'll all be at different elevations. So if you have a trapeze that's at 15 feet, this way, what I'm about to show you will allow you to set all of the design lines at that same 15-foot elevation, regardless of the pipe size, and they will all have the same bottom of pipe elevation. So to do that, when you're drawing the line, you would set it here. You would change that here. But this line has already been drawn. It's already been populated. So what we're going to end up doing is after the fact, you have to edit this through your line editor. And that's going to be in your right-click menu on the section of pipe that you want to apply it to. And you just go to position from here. And you would change it to bottom. And you would populate that line, and then as you can see, the design line now sits at the bottom of that pipe instead of in the center. And obviously there are multiple different options here for that. You can use the top, center, bottom right, top right, you know, whatever you need depending on the situation you're in. So very helpful command. See you next time.